Find fun things to do in Battaramulla. Discover top tourist attractions. Western Province, Sri Lanka, situated 8.4 kilometers from the city centre at Colombo Fort, near the Parliament of Sri Lanka. It is one of the fastest developing administrative, commercial and residential areas in the Colombo District, being home to the country's elite. Water's Edge, one of the attractive wedding venues in Colombo area, offering affordable wedding packages which fit to your budgets. Diyatha Station of the Colombo's fastest-growing culinary and entertainment hub, Water's Edge is Sri Lanka's first series of restaurants based inside a train and its carriages. Ensuring that the restaurant is accessible to all, food will be affordably priced and made fresh daily. The seating capacity of the restaurants combined will be 200 with the option of indoor and outdoor seating. The menu at Diyatha Station consists of an array of delightful dishes prepared authentic and novel recipes. Welcome to Lala Park in Battaramulla. Lala Park is open for all you fun-loving folks out there. Biking, ship and carnival fun and activities. Children love amusement parks. There is one amusement park. The boat ride will go both ways, with a boat leaving every 30 minutes, from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. The service may be extended to the night. Most fun and popular experiences in Battaramulla. Good Market Global is a curated community of social enterprises and responsible businesses that are good for people and good for the planet. It makes it easier to find, connect, and exchange with participants in the new economy. Within Sri Lanka, Good Market coordinates a weekly market event and 2 organic and natural food shops. This is the listing for the shop in Battaramulla. A famous marketplace in Battaramulla, Sri Lanka, Good Market, Diyatha Uyana, Diyatha. Introducing organic home gardening to families in Sri Lanka. Sandalwood Garden, consisting of 1,000 sandalwood trees, would be built on a 9-acre land near the Parliament complex. The flower market. The park is best known for its flower and plant shows conducted almost every weekend. Anyone from a child showing interest in gardening. Plant market in Battaramulla, Sri Lanka. This surprisingly well-kept market is in Battaramulla, which is near the capital of Sri Lanka, Colombo. I have been there. Variety of plants for your choice. Price also reliable. Plant exhibit tour. Plant nursery. Diyatha Uyana, Diyatha Park, Sri Lanka.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin for the core. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. Possible. I will chase, I will reach, I will fly until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing it into something big, better than before. And if it takes 1,000 lives, then it's worth fighting for. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. From the bottom to the top, we're sparking wild fast. Never quit and never stop, the rest of our lives. From the bottom to the top, we're sparking wild fast. Never quit and never stop. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams